Everyone assumes exterior upgrades are just curb appeal, not real money. The 2025 Cost versus Value report says otherwise. 8 of the 10 highest returning remodeling projects in the entire country are exterior. Let's rank them using real cost recoup data. Start with the single best returning project in the whole report, garage door replacement. Average cost is $4,672. Average resale value added is $12,507. That's a 268% return, meaning it doesn't just pay for itself, it profits you nearly $8,000 at resale. Second place, steel entry door replacement. For about $2,435, it adds roughly $5,270 in resale value. That's a 216% return on one of the cheapest projects on this entire list. Third, manufactured stone veneer. Wrapping the bottom third of your front facade in stone veneer costs about $11,700 and adds $24,300 in value. That's a 208% return, and it's climbed sharply almost every year since 2015. Now, siding. Fiber cement siding replacement costs around $21,500 and returns $24,400, or 114%. You actually come out ahead. Vinyl siding is cheaper at about $17,900 and returns 96.5%, essentially breaking even. Decks are close behind. A wood deck edition costs $18,263 and recoups 95%. A composite deck costs $25,000 and recoups 88.5%. Wood wins on percentage because it costs less to build, even though composite needs far less maintenance. Here's the pattern. The cheapest, most functional exterior fixes, garage doors, entry doors, siding, return the most. The big lifestyle builds, like an oversized composite deck, still return well, but less than the basics. And compared to most interior remodels, every project on this list beats the national average. If you're renovating to sell, start with the garage door and the entry door. They're the cheapest items on this list and by far the highest returning, according to the 2025 Cost versus Value report from Zonda. Subscribe for more real renovation numbers and let me know in the comments which exterior project you're doing next.